Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm really excited to unbox this really small canvas. As you can see, this canvas I'm planning to do it for the next event, which I believe is called Jingle Drills, but I always get the name wrong. And that event doesn't start till later in the year, mostly for the holidays, and I had decided to do two canvases for that event as well, and I'm going to start off with the small one. And this wonderful little canvas is called Meowy Christmas by Eau Claire Studios, and it's a 9 by 13.8 inch or 23 by 35 centimeters. As I said, it is really small. And it's a round shaped diamond, and as you can see, it's a wonderful little kitty cat just holding a Christmas present. Oh, it's so cute. And I just saw the little ornament. I like that too. Might be the ornament or the present, whichever one. I think it's cute. And just in case you've never purchased diamonddartclub canvases, sorry, I was going to turn it. They even, no matter the size, it's always a sturdy box. I'm a big fan of it. And on the side of the box, there's another small picture and information about the canvas. This really cute canvas has 43 colors with 2 Aurora Borealis diamonds or AB diamonds and 1 fairy dust. Once this canvas is completed, a total of 10,250 diamonds have been placed. When I first saw the diamond count, I thought, whoa, that is a lot for a really small canvas. But I believe it might really show a lot of details since there's going to be a lot of color changing. And diamonddartclub around their boxes do put the art wrapped around, even for the small ones, which is real cute. This one, I did purchase it from the diamonddartclub site, not through Amazon. I'm not too sure if this one's through Amazon. I didn't check that. And at the bottom of the box, there's a small image and information about the canvas. So if you're stacking your stash, you can identify it by seeing the end. But this one's so small, I don't think I would really have an issue spotting which canvas it is. But you never know. Maybe I'll have a whole bunch of small ones one day and I need to look at it. So since the box is a little smaller, I have to really be careful taking everything out, because it's really tucked in there, and I think that's kind of funny. And, oh, the diamonds as well. Oh, apologies, the toolkit. I thought it were the diamonds. Even with the small ones, they still wrap the diamonds in. I think that's really neat. So the toolkit, I'm not, well, actually I'll go through this one real quick. As you all can see, it's a small one. And the toolkits from diamonddartclub does depend the size of the canvas. So the larger the canvas, the larger the tray, and smaller the canvas, voila, smaller the tray. I don't own a lot of the small ones. It's the large ones I do, because the majority of the time I have a lot of large canvases, so that's why I have a lot of those. Ooh, apologies. Sorry about that. It's a little later in the days, so everyone thinks it's fun to start racing. So the wonderful toolkit does include some resealable bags, big fan of that. Some of their wonderful clear wax, super big fan of that. Their wonderful ergonomic pen, as you can see, as well as a pre-fill, I believe it's called twist and pick pen, which you can see it has a brass tip and is pre-filled with wax. All you really do is turn it and it'll push the wax up. Trying not to waste it. And on the end of their end, a multi-placer of 4. Big fan of that too. I'm a big fan of everything. And a wonderful tray. It's a really sturdy plastic with a slidable lid. Sometimes when they're a little new, they're really tough. They still include 1 pad of their wonderful heart wax and a multi-placer of 7 in case 4, is too small for you. And on the inside, you can see the nice, wonderful lines as well as a stopper. So once you're done with your diamonds to pour them out, you can always place it back. Big fan of that. And let me put everything back in here because it's real small and I lose everything. And on the side has the name of the company, and the bottom do have some grooves. If you have several of the same size, it's easier to stack them up. Big fan of that, even with the large ones, because it does make it a lot easier just to save space. I do not own enough to have the multi-tray system, but when I do, I'll make sure to do that. So next we'll look at the little sturdy envelope. Usually the label sheet are in the envelope, but I think they did to save the space. Why did I say size? Oh, it did come with a treasure quest card. I wasn't too sure if the small one comes with one. It's so cute. Treasure quest cards are collectible diamond art clubs including, and has a wonderful decal of the art and all of the information as well. So you can see the nice little holographic effect. It's so cute. I love the little kitty cat. At the back of the card, it lets you know what color type it is. So this wonderful card is a bronze. And there are 4 different types. There's bronze, silver, gold, and black. Black being the rarest. And these wonderful cards, you would just collect them, and once you have a certain number of colors, you can scratch off the little silver in the back and you would submit the code for different rewards that Diamond Art Club has, well, depending on the cards. I've already submitted one for a $200 gift card, so I'm just saving up for another one because Black Friday's coming, y'all. And I just really love collecting these cards. Oh, so cute. I love the little kitty cat. On the inside of the pamphlet, the little envelope does include information for diamond painting, especially when you're new to the craft, as well as a QR code to their Facebook group and as well to their official Diamond Art Club app. And just for transparency, I am a Diamond Art Club affiliate, so you see my code appear right around here. It is Rose10, and when that code is used for your first ever Diamond Art Club canvas, $10 are taken off your order. And for some extra transparency, some of that, apologies, when that code is used, a small little commission does return, well, does come to me, but it does return to the channel because y'all, I love diamond paintings. So let me put this to the side real quick. I don't want to lose my little card. And we'll look at the labels. So the front of the labels does include the name of the canvas and the artist, and they are an adhesive. Big fan of that because I have a physical logbook, so this really helps out a lot. Ooh, apologies. Helps out a lot. And on the inside, it has pre-cut adhesive of all of the labels of all of the colors based off of the legend. So anything below 150 are the AB diamonds. So 106, 107 are AB diamonds. Anything with Z is the fairy dust diamonds. Big fan of that. And oh my goodness, I love the color palette of it. It doesn't kind of say Christmas, does it? Kind of curious. Now I kind of really want to see the canvas. And as you can see, they are pre-cut and adhesive. Really like that. On the back of the canvas is a small little image of the art. As you can see, the cute little cat and all the information about the canvas. This as well is an adhesive. As I stated, really useful for having a physical logbook. Really love that I can just, you know, take them off and stick them in my book. So Diamond Art Club does wrap their canvases no matter what size in these really nice dustproof bags. I really didn't want to let me take out the canvas. And I'm listening. I hear a plane flying over. And I think it's passing by. Apologies. Where I live, the planes, where they land, I'm kind of under them. I'm in the route. So you'll hear some planes fly over. If it gets too loud, I will mute it. So apologies for that. So let's unroll the canvas. Oh my goodness, this is so cute and really small. I've been unboxing a lot of large ones, so this little small one is kind of a treat for me. Oh, so cute. I'm going to roll it the opposite way to kind of help the canvas lay a little more clearly. Oh, it's so cute. I love the kitty cat. Oh, I am so glad I picked this one up. And I cannot wait for the holidays because I really want to start on this one. And as you can see, I'll pull up and down the wonderful canvas. You can see it all fits in my camera, which is perfect. It's just so cute. And it's exactly as the larger canvases. So no matter what size, it will always contain the same information. Meaning at the top of the canvas, it does has their motto and the name of the company on the top left. Lower right, a full legend of all the colors. I really like that because I'm still surprised it's 43. And on the lower right corner, information about their customer service as well as a lifetime warranty. So any issues with the diamonds, any issues with the paintings, don't worry. You can reach out to customer service. They'll assist you in correcting the issue. At the bottom of the middle of the canvas, information about their social media as well as a hashtag and a 10% discount code for your next canvas. And on the lower left, a small thumbprint of the image as well as information about the canvas. Big fan of that. Diamond Art Club does put really nice sturdy plastic on their canvases. Ooh, and the stick is never a joke. And this wonderful little canvas has perforated plastic, which surprised me because it's real small. Diamond Art Club has been including on their canvases perforated plastic, meaning it has little cuts. So as you can probably hear, if I can find, oh, here we go. it'll start tearing along. And really useful for, they are pre-sized to my understanding, 4 by 4 inches, so they're a square shape. And really useful if you do not wish to use release paper or the washi tape method, just to work, you just want to start the canvas quickly. And while you're finishing a section, you could be tearing off. That's why I went back to using the plastic because it's so useful for me, and I don't have to worry about prepping it. I'm just ready to go. And oh my goodness, I just really love this canvas. Oh, apologies. Diamond Art Club canvases are nice and velvety soft. Velvety soft. Apologies. Just had dinner. Apologies for that. And at the edges, they are scalloped and poked. It's to keep them from fraying. Oh, this is so cute. We're going to leave it to rest. We're going to go through the diamonds. Diamond Art Club does put some indicators on the plastic bag, letting you know what canvas the diamonds belong to. So if you separate your canvases and your diamonds at 2 locations, don't worry. They'll always find each other. I really love they added that. And apologies for the crinkly noise. Showing diamond jaw. And oh my, I love how they kind of made sure it stayed kind of small and intact. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, intact and really saving space. Even the plastic got cut up a little bit. Oh my goodness, that is real neat. Rolling it up is going to be a challenge though. I'll figure it out. And oh my goodness, it's so light. As I stated, I've been opening larger ones, so this is so trippy to hold. But look at that cinnamon roll. Oh my goodness. It kind of has more of a vintage kind of Christmas feeling for me. With all the beautiful reds, dark greens, and the wonderful browns. Oh, it is so cute. I believe this little orange goes on the kitty cat, but oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, I really like it. And yes, we are going to go through the diamonds. Small amount, but I still really want to show them, especially for the special diamonds, because I'm curious where they go. I hope some of them go on the kitty cat, because I kind of want a sparkly cat. That's just me, so to each their own. And so the first wonderful color is Z739, which is our fairy dust, and has a nice, beautiful glitter effect on it. Ooh, I really love this color. Apologies. And the symbol for this one is the capital C. Huh. It goes on the Christmas present on the box in this section here. Oh, yay. A little bit on the kitty's paws. And yeah, most of it is on the present. So that's why the packet kind of has a good amount. Apologies. I don't know why I said it like that. And the next color, 106. This is our wonderful AB. So you can see the wonderful prismatic effect. Oh, this is such a pretty color. This wonderful color symbol is number 1. And yay, I was right. It's on the kitty cat. It's a little bit here in the corner of the present. A little bit here on the chest of the kitty, as well as its face. Well, pretty much everywhere on its face, lining its ears. And a little bit on the paws. Oh, you're so happy. You're going to be sparkly kitty. And next color, 301, 839, 938, 498. Ooh, I love that color. 402, 3776, 935, 840, 107 is our next AB. And oh my goodness, that is such a pretty red. Oh, I love that color. And the symbol for this one is the number 2. So, yep, it's in the ribbon on the present. A little bit here on the bow. And I believe it might be... Oh, it's not. It's not... Oh, yeah. Not in... Well, a little bit on this larger one, but a lot on this small ornament. I was really hoping there was sparkle there. And, oh, inside the kitty's ears, too. This little dark red. This wonderful AB's going to go. Oh, I love that. That's going to look so neat. And the next color is 898, 400, 3861, and 814. Oh, I love that dark purple. Such a pretty color. And the next red. There we go. Next color is 3022, 930, 3863, 3772, 838, 415, 936. Ooh, I love that really forest green. Really pretty color. 3072, 817. I really thought these were ABs. That sparkle was really nice. Next color, 3864, 300, 893, 937, 3708, 3778. Ooh, I have to be careful with these two. 758, 355, 754, 799, not for sale. And 931. Ooh, I love that dark teal. Some of these colors are interesting to me. I'm kind of curious where they go. So the majority of the canvases y'all can see is a nice light brown, nice reds, green of the tree. The random little teal is a good example. Curious where it goes. Next color 3801, 762, 169, and our lovely 310. Yay, there is some 310. 310 is one of my favorite DMC colors, especially in diamondart diamonds. They're so sparkling. I really like that. And our final strip 3856, 890, 924, and 3371. Ooh, a nice cocoa brown. I really like that. And oh my goodness, I am still surprised on how many diamonds are in this beautiful canvas. And it's so, so cute. Last time I checked, it wasn't in stock, but I will put the link to this painting in the description below. If in case you're curious on when it comes back in stock, you can sign up with your email. So once it comes back in stock, diamondart sends you an email immediately once it does. So maybe a little kitty cat with a present is your cup of tea as well. Oh, so cute. I just love this canvas. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you could do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Ooh, I have a question for y'all. As I stated, I plan to do this for jingle drills later in the year, which is an event. If any of y'all are planning to do any event for the holidays, which one are you planning to do? Just let me know in the comments below. I'm just curious to see what other events they are, and to see what other canvases, y'all be interested in doing. Especially for the holidays, because there's a lot of canvases. Also, if you did enjoy this video, if you can just, kindly put a like, I'd really appreciate that too. It really does help show this wonderful canvas a lot more, because a kitty cat with a present always makes, well, almost everyone smile. That's just me. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.